Hi, this is Daisy Shah and you are watching Bollywood Hangama. Yes, it is a very new genre. It is very challenging. It is very difficult to portray the character that I'm playing in the movie. Plus, also shooting for the bold scenes and all. It's not that easy though. I literally had to prepare myself, not even physically but mentally. So this is something that obviously I have not done earlier. Like it's a straight jump from Jai Ho to this. So it's completely north south. There's nothing similar between two roles. So I'm just trying, I'm experimenting, I'm probably just, I want to show people a new side of me, a new shade of me probably, or maybe I'm trying to change people's perception towards me. So far the response I've been getting is like amazing. I'm really loving the way they are liking the stuff, they're liking the trailer, they're liking the song, they're liking me. Like when I did Jai Ho, people, I got messages and people used to come and tell me, oh look, you look so cute, you look so girl next door thing, you're like so sweet and this and we want to pull your cheeks and all. So now after seeing this, everybody's like, oh shit, we never imagined that you look so hot ever. So so far it's working, the gender is working, whatever I wanted to see is happening, that's it. प्रेम रतन धन पायो एक ऐसी मूवी है जो पूरी फैमिली एक साथ देखने जाएगी. हेट स्टोरी एक ऐसी मूवी है जो पूरी फैमिली देखने जाएगी पर अलग अलग जाएगी. यही डिफरेंस है और कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. The reason that they have not shown my character too much in the trailer as well is because I am one character who they probably want the people to still have this curiosity towards, क्योंकि जो मेरा character है वो एक simple line में अगर मैं बता दूँ तो it's my character has got grey, black and white shade to it. It's not only grey or it's not only white or it's not only black. It has all three shades. The experience was really nice. I learned a lot of things. I mean, come on, kissing and all that. That is not something that one learns, but doing it on screen and all, it is very challenging by itself. But again, if you have a great team to work with, like from Vishal to Karan to the cameraman to the entire crew, and again Karan was a complete stranger as compared to Sharman and Zareen, because I knew Sharman and Zareen pehle se. I met Karan first time on set. So again, I had no. It was good. It was good. He's a what I also call him a cartoon, because he's a kid at heart. Yeah. He is full of fun. He's full of masti. He is. There's no sense of seriousness when you are around him. There's a lot beyond that. Like if you see that the trailer gives you a hint of indecent proposal, but it is not about that, because after that, immediately after that, Zareen says that no, there's something more to this. So the story itself is very strong. Yes, it has a hint of indecent proposal, but it is not about that. It's more beyond to that. Dialogues are, as you said, that my dialogue के मैं डूबी तो डूबोगे तुम भी, even Sharman's dialogue के हर जंग में हारता वो नहीं है, even that is a very strong dialogue. Yeah. So the thing is, they have made sure that the movie has every aspect in it. It's not just about the erotica thing in the movie. There's the story, there are good lines, there are good dialogues, the good star cast, plus again his story 1, 2, this is apparently double of what 1, 2 was happening. So this has double revenge, this has double erotism, there's double everything. So it's an entire package. It's not about just the erotic thing. T-Series, what can you expect? I mean, T-Series is pro at this. And also they have the new thing what T-Series has started is recreating the old songs, those era songs, which is, I guess it's the best thing to do, because today's generation probably don't know what these songs are. Yeah. And they are listening it in a different way. So it's a great thing. Again, when it comes to album, every song in the movie is different from the other. So I don't have my favorite pick. I like all of them.
Still, if you have to choose one.
I think two is Sak Mera and Wajah Tum Ho. I love these two songs.
Okay. Video of two.
You don't like the audio?
No, but video.
It's okay. Thank you. I take it as a compliment. Kill one. Karan. Next is
Marry and hook up. Sharman
marry.
and
It would be Sharman and hook up maybe Salman. मैंने प्यार किया. No doubts about it.
You like it? You like
I love that movie.
Okay.
I think Salman Khan.
Why?
Because his life is such a mystery. No, like nobody knows anything about him.
Okay, what
Yet
do you-
everybody knows everything about him.
Yeah. Karan Singh Grover.
Supplements, protein shakes,
Sharman Joshi.
books,
Zareen.
sweets,
Salman.
phone.
Katrina Kaif.
I don't know that. They might be like I might find Ranbir and Katrina's or Katrina and Ranbir's.
Yeah, that was awesome. So,
That's what I said. It's not only about the erotism in the movie. There's a lot. There's like a strong story. It's a very, very, very good story. So the thing is that it's yes, the trailer has a lot of bold scenes being shown and everything, but the story itself is very strong.
okay.
So it's not like a person if is going in the theater to watch a movie, he's not only going to see the scenes or the boldness of the movie, but at the end of the day when he's gonna walk out of the theater, he's definitely seeing a story. He's coming out with a story with him. He knows exactly that what is right and what is wrong for one person, right? And there are times where I get stuck, like when it comes to Hate Story 3, I was really stuck because I couldn't make my mind then. So I went to him to seek advice and he gave me some valid reasons why I should be doing this movie.
Okay.
And that is the reason I got on
Do
board.
you wanna thank him for that?
Yes, I already thank him for that.
Okay.
Anything, any girl who wants to don a swimsuit on screen has to work hard. I am no different from them. I had to, yes, I worked out earlier, but this time I had to put in a little more extra efforts so that I can match up to the level of what a body's requirement is for like to wear a swimsuit or a bikini. Like, but the reason is in the movie I am wearing a swimsuit. After I saw myself wearing a swimsuit, I had trained myself to have a bikini body. But after seeing the swimsuit, I regretted that, oh, I should have worn a bikini and not a swimsuit.
Okay.
I don't know whether I'll be ready in future or not, whether I'll be having the same kind of body or not.
Yeah.
No, if you see Shandar, Alia's wearing a bikini.
Yeah.
So it's not that Hate Story 3 में ही bikini चाहिए या Hate Story franchise में ही bikini चाहिए. To be honest, there's nothing down the pipeline, but it's only that there's one thing which has come up to me, and if that thing gets finalized, then all I can reveal about is like the role is a completely de-glam look. Like the character is completely de-glam. First of all, I want to thank you all for giving so much of love and support to Hate Story 3. Our movie is releasing on 4th of December. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please, please, please go watch the movie. The entire movie is very memorable because I've not done something like this. As I said, that it was a working experience. It was new things that I learned. But there's one thing, like when we were shooting for the song, this is something that I will never forget, that we were shooting in Thanda Pani, like cold water shower at 3:34 in the morning. It was freezing cold. And the second thing, that Karan promised me that he will not drop me, but he dropped me in the song.